Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 40. Today I want to play Real Drum with a new kit. Okay, follow me. As you can see, this is my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Amazing phone, beautiful phone. Wow, this is crazy. Beautiful, beautiful 212 megapixel camera. Wow, amazing, it's crazy. Now let's open this beautiful Real Drum. Okay, beautiful. Welcome. This is what I'm talking about. And I want to choose another kit. Okay, another kit today for this test. You have kits here, and let's choose AV mirror. Look at that, AV mirror. Let's choose this. Click. Oh, what are you doing? This is an ad. Okay, let me finish this quickly and welcome. This is AV mirror. This is AV mirror. As you can see over ad here. Let me do something. Okay, let me close all of this, turn off, put on, face, click here. Wonderful. Not open again. This beautiful reader. Now no ad. Remember later. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Now I'm ready to play this. Okay, let's do it. Okay, get ready for that. This is my phone. It's crazy, and I'm ready today to to play this with you. Okay, look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Look at. Listen, volume, volume. Okay, listen. Wow. Can you see this? Woo! Again. Can you see this? It's working. Wonderful. Now let's test this. Different song. Can you see this? It's working. It's working. And this song is so crazy, so amazing. What do you think? Okay, now let's go to play together. Okay. When I play like that. Okay. As you can see, it's working very well, very good. No problem with this. Okay. If you like, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and get ready for the next test. Tomorrow, I will test another kit with you on GNANGSTUDIO 40. This is Real Dream. Thank you for watching.